in order to perform the hands-on activity or in order to perform the assignment making. Step number one is that we should be opening the concerned document. As we are preparing a Google Sheet, so task number one will be opening the Google Sheet. There are many ways in order to open the Google Sheet. We will be focusing on the three. Any web browser, go to sheets.google.com. We are aware about this particular part. We have to go on sheets.google.com. When I click on sheets.google.com, my browser will take few moments and it will be diverted towards the Google Sheets. You will be able to see various templates. Out of the various templates, always we are selecting the first, that is the blank. So we have to wait. Again, it will take few seconds in order to load the blank spreadsheet. The first and the most important thing, as soon as the sheet is open, you will be able to see this particular file, edit, view, insert, format, data in black color. Now they are in green color, that means still the sheet has not yet been loaded. So we have to wait. Over here you also able to see still loading. That means the sheet has not yet been loaded. So we have to wait so that the sheet gets loaded. Once the sheet is loaded, all the menus will turn black, indicating that the sheet has been loaded. Yes, now it has turned black, so that means the sheet has been loaded. First of all, I'll go over here and I'll give the name as hands on activity. And I'll give my name. It is hands on activity. So this is the first method of opening the sheet. Coming back, Google Drive, click new. So this is the drive that you are able to see on this particular new option. When you click, you will be able to see various options. Out of the various options, you have to select the Google Sheets. When you click on the Google Sheets, again you will be able to open the Google Sheets from here. The next thing is we require to go to any of the Google apps. Over there, you will be able to see the 9 dots. When we are clicking on the 9 dots over here, I'm able to see sheets. Click on the sheets and the sheets will get open. So in three ways, we are able to open the sheets on computers. There are many ways, but I have shown you three different ways of opening the Google Sheet.